In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change username on League of Legends. The summoner names in League of Legends and teamfight tactics have been transitioned on November 20, 2023. So your name in League of Legends are now the same in your Riot ID. So the question is how you can change it. Go over to your Riot account page. You can access this by going to this link. Then next, log into your Riot Games account. Under the account management, change your Riot ID and tag however you like. After that, click the Save Changes button. And that's it. Note that you need to make your email verified to do this. And also, you can change your Riot ID every 90 days. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.